Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with two amazing contenders, the ELEGOO Mars 4 and the Asani Mini. It's like pitting David against Goliath, but in this case, David has a laser-carved build plate, and Goliath has auto-leveling. Let's get started. First up, the ELEGOO Mars 4, priced at a cool $249. This little beast won't break the bank, but it might just break your perception of budget printers. On the other hand, we've got the Asani Mini on the right, coming in at a whopping $500. For that price, it better print gold, right? Well, let's see if it's worth the extra dough. When it comes to build volume, the Mars 4 offers a respectable 153.36 x 77.76 x 175 cubic millimeters. That's enough space to print your wildest dreams, or at least a really detailed action figure. The Asani Mini, however, is like the tiny house of 3D printers. It's compact, perfect for those who live in shoebox apartments or dorm rooms. But hey, size isn't everything, or is it? Let's talk screens. The Mars 4 boasts a 3.5-inch touchscreen with model previews and real-time progress bars. It's like having a tiny movie theater for your prints. Meanwhile, the Asani Mini has a 2.4-inch LCD screen. It's small, but it gets the job done. It's like comparing a smartwatch to a tablet. One's sleek and minimal, the other's got all the bells and whistles. Now, for the special features. The Mars 4 has a 7-inch 9K mono LCD. That's 8,520 by 4,320 resolution, folks. It's like the IMAX of 3D printing. Plus, it's got a COB light source for uniform exposure. On the flip side, the Asani Mini is all about ease. It's fully assembled, has auto-leveling and one-touch filament loading. It's practically begging you to print something, anything. Both printers claim to be user-friendly, but let's break it down. The Mars 4 is great for beginners, but remember, kids should be supervised. The Asani Mini, however, is like the Fisher-Price of 3D printers. Super easy, super safe, and super fun. It even has active pause and resume print functions. If only life had that feature, right? The ELEGOO Mars 4 is praised for its high print quality, ease of use, and impressive features like the 9K mono LCD and COB light source. However, some users noted issues with the plastic base and FEP failures. On the other hand, the Asani Mini is highlighted for its user-friendly setup, auto-leveling, and compact design, making it a fantastic choice for beginners and kids. It's easy to set up and comes with pre-configured settings, though it has a smaller build volume and can only handle 0.5 kilogram spools. So there you have it, folks. The ELEGOO Mars 4 is perfect for those who want high resolution and a larger build volume without emptying their wallets. The Asani Mini is ideal for those who want convenience, portability, and a bit of luxury with their 3D prints. Which one should you buy? Well, that's up to you. Do you want the precision of a laser-carved build plate or the ease of auto-leveling? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more smart buying tips. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.